good.
Alright guys, today we're going to be dumping some Prevail H2O on a black base. I'm going to give it a 60-second timer. 2 full passes with the Hydrographics. I think you'll be able to see the fish floating after I'm done with this one, man. This is from TWN 443. I think it's 443. Really nice film. You guys will enjoy it, and I'll show you here in a second. There's a bubble over there. Let's see, hide out. Get over there. Actually, I think I'll leave you because you're not going to get in the way. Everything else looks pretty good. I can't say it. You're using my rubber gloves. They didn't get dirty enough. Okay, we got a few seconds here. Here we go. Screen protector. Oh boy, it's going to be a little fun. Okay. There's my floating fishies. Check out those landing. They're just sitting in the water floating around. Aren't they cool? Let's see how we did here. Rotate it up so the film, there we go. Alright guys, there you got it on a black background. Really stands out nicely. Check my edges here. Looks pretty darn snazzy. Go down here. See if I got any air pockets in there. Looks pretty good. You can't see anything. Up on this side, well, minimal stretch, but everything looks really nice. Anyway, TWN, I think it's 442, don't quote me on it, but really nice film to work with. If you guys like that pattern, I'd highly recommend it. Anyway, this is Tsunami Hydrographics, checking out.